How are you? Well, if in doubt, sing. That's what I say. And this one today is about livestock. I miss my livestock on the farm, and they miss me too. I've been getting messages. Laura Dern, the calf, says, "It's cold, Sam, I need a cuddle." Helena Bonham Carter, the cow, says, "Moo." Michael Fassbender, the ram, says, "Sam, please bring the complete works of Shakespeare. I've eaten the last one." So this one is for them. I've seen the bright lights of Memphis and the Commodore Hotel, and underneath the street lamp I met a Southern belle. Well, she took me to the river where she cast her spell, and underneath the moonlight she sang the song so well. If you'll be my Dixie chicken, I'll be your Tennessee lamb, and we will walk together down in Dixieland, down in Dixieland. Well, we hit all the hot spots, my money flowed like wine, and the low-down southern whiskey began to fog my mind. I don't remember church bells or the money I put down on the white picket fence and boardwalk on the house at the end of town. But boy, do I remember the strain of her refrain, the nights we spent together and the way she called my name. If you'll be my Dixie chicken, I'll be your Tennessee lamb. We can walk together down in Dixieland, down in Dixieland. And here's the sad part. Well, it's many years since she ran away. I guess that guitar player sure could play. She always liked to sing along. She was always handy with a song. But then one night at the lobby of the Commodore Hotel, I chanced to meet a bartender who said he knew her well. And as he handed me a drink, he began to hum a song, and all the boys there in the bar began to sing along. If you'll be my Dixie chicken, I'll be your Tennessee lamb, and we can walk together down in Dixieland, down in Dixieland, down in Dixieland. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. My favorite band of the 70s, Little Feat, from Los Angeles. I hope Los Angeles is calm again, and that you're well and safe. We will get through this, in spite of my singing.